Hello students, welcome to my chemistry class. Today I will discuss different types of chemical reaction. So the main types of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement, oxidation reduction and exothermic endothermic reaction. Then the first type is combination reaction. So in this type, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. For example, during formation of water, hydrogen gas combined with oxygen gas to form a single product water. Okay. During burning of coal, carbon combined with oxygen gas to form a single product carbon dioxide. We can see in both the examples two reactants combine to form a single product. This type of reactions are known as combination reaction. There is an example question here. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air during any experiment? Okay, so magnesium gets covered with a layer of magnesium oxide when kept in air for a long time. Why? Because magnesium is a very active metal. It combines with oxygen of air to form the magnesium oxide layer over it. This layer hinders the burning of magnesium during any experiment. Hence, this layer is to be cleaned before burning magnesium ribbon. Okay. The next type of reaction in this video is decomposition reaction. Okay. So, what is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more products. So, why should a reactant break? If we apply some outside energy to the reactant, then reactant can break to form different products. So, on the basis of types of energy used to break a reactant chemically, decomposition reactions are of three types: photolytic decomposition, thermal decomposition, and electrolytic decomposition. So, what is photolytic decomposition? Photolytic decomposition is a decomposition reaction where light energy is used to break a reactant. For example, when silver chloride is kept in presence of sunlight, silver chloride breaks to form silver and chlorine. This reaction is known as photolytic decomposition because light energy is used. Now the next type is thermal decomposition, where heat energy is used to break some reactant. For example, calcium carbonate on heating gives two products, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this reaction proceeds by heating. So these type of reactions are known as thermal decomposition. The last one is electrolytic decomposition. Here electric energy is used to break some reactant. For example, when electricity is passed through water, water will break to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay. The next type is displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution. For example, CuSO4 is a salt of copper. Okay, copper sulfate solution. In copper sulfate solution, if we mix some zinc, what will happen? Zinc is more reactive than copper. It will replace copper, displace copper from its salt and take its place to form a new salt, zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Okay, so this type of reaction where a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt is known as displacement reaction. Okay, there is an example question here. Why does copper sulfate solution change its colors when an iron nail is dipped in it? Okay. Why? Because iron is more reactive than copper. So, on adding iron nail in copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, changes to light green solution. Why? Because on adding iron to CuSO4, copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper from its salt and form a new salt, FeSO4, which is green in color. Okay, so the color changes. The next type of reaction is double displacement reaction. Here, two displacement reaction takes place simultaneously. For example, when silver nitrate solution is mixed with sodium bromide solution, AgNO3 plus NaBr. What will happen? Sodium displaces silver, Ag. Na displaces Ag from its salt and take its place to form a new salt, NaNO3. And Ag take the place of sodium and form a new salt, AgBr. So both displaces each other. So this type of reactions are known as double displacement reaction. The next type is exothermic and endothermic reaction. Okay, so if heat energy is released or absorbed in any reaction, then that type of reactions are known as exothermic or endothermic. If heat energy is evolved during any reaction, then that type of reaction are known as exothermic, whereas if heat energy is absorbed, then the type of reaction is known as endothermic. So there is an example of exothermic reaction. Methane on reaction with oxygen forms carbon dioxide and water, and a considerable amount of heat energy is released here. So this type of reaction are known as exothermic. Whereas when HgO, mercury oxide, is heated, then mercury oxide break to form mercury and oxygen. Okay, so mercury oxide on heating give mercury and oxygen. That means these type of reaction are known as endothermic reaction, as they occur by the absorption of heat. Okay, now there is a question here. Which of the following is an exothermic reaction? You have to choose from these two. First is sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Second one is silver chloride breaks to form silver and chlorine. You have to choose. Okay, this is the end of this video. In the next video, I will discuss about oxidation reduction reaction. Bye.